I'm Camila Williams at Lake Taylor Transitional Care Hospital in Norfolk, and behind me are all the gifts donated by several motorcycle groups, and all 24 kids in the pediatric unit will feel joy and support this holiday season.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
For more than 2 decades, bikers from around Hampton Roads have rolled up for the Ride for the Children. After pausing the fundraiser during COVID, bikers made the return to the pediatric unit at Lake Taylor, where kids with long-term medical needs to give gifts and raise money for them.
Our goal is to get them 6 pediatric beds. They're $6,000 a piece, and we're hoping to provide them with 6.
Joanne Emmons with Tidewater Ladies of Harley says children have a special place in their hearts for bikers. Even with the gloomy wet weather, that didn't stop Santa and these riders from riding down Kempsville Road and showing up for the kids here. Emmons says while people may know Lake Taylor as a rehab center, it's more than that. She says it's important they give back to those who can't give themselves.
We have the ability to ride. We have the ability to talk, speak, do whatever we want to do. You know, these children do not. These children are housed there. They are trying to learn. They don't understand, I don't think, most of what's happened to them. And so we're going to give back to them.
Emmons says as long as the children are cared for, they'll keep this ride rolling. In Norfolk, Camila Williams, WTKR News 3.